The eighth wonder of the world? Really? It's just money growing. How exciting can that possibly be? And honestly, what difference can $100 even make? Wait, that's it? I thought my money would grow faster than this. People really call this the eighth wonder of the world? Okay, this is taking forever. Maybe I should just quit. Nothing exciting seems to be happening. Whoa, now things are changing. So my money isn't just growing. The growth itself is starting to grow too? Oh, now I get it. It's not just my original money growing anymore. The money I already earned is starting to money too. That's why people say time is so powerful when it comes to investing. So that's the real secret. Compound interest needs time to work. Someone who starts early and stays consistent who starts later with bigger amounts. Time matters more than trying to get rich quickly. Now I get it. Compound interest isn't magic. Small amounts plus time can grow into something much bigger.